Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget turn on notifications, as I'm sharing every day great contents for you. Alright guys, in this video we're going to continue with transactions. Let me open a new query. Alright, so what is transactions? Let me explain this before starting creating a new transaction. Alright, just imagine you go to an ATM and you would like to withdraw some money, but somehow after you finish your process, you forgot to take your money, and the money stuck in the machine. And when you go home, you just realize you forgot to take the money. But when you check your account, you still have same money, so money is still in there. So how is that possible? Some of banks and some of ATMs, they have a kind of security to keep your money in safe. Once you forget your money in the ATM machine, the ATM machine kept money and bring it back to the machine, and the software in the machine roll back the transaction, whatever you did, back. So you still have your money in your account. Just imagine, once you get the money, in the backside there is an update method, like for example update. Let's make this comment section. Okay, update tbl, for example, account. All right, set balance equal balance minus, for example, 250. All right, where id equal client id. What is it? Depends your id. All right, so once you forget your money inside the machine, there is a rollback or commit um, transactions will be in process and you got your money back. Perfect. Let me show you physically these examples. All right. Let's have a look our our city from TBL cities function 5. We got 4 cities. All right, guys. So let me insert into TBL cities. So we have city name, right? City name values is going to be, let's say, Liverpool. Perfect. And let's select start from TBL cities again. Not like that, obviously. If I do not forget single quotes, this is varchar. Okay. Once you execute this query, everything will be okay. But if you would like to use transaction, begin transaction. All right. And now we have two different type of transaction: rollback and commit. The first one is going to be rollback. If I say rollback here, let me explain the step by step. Our city name Liverpool will be added to this table as a 5 ID, and we're going to see the result with the 5 ID of Liverpool included. Then the rollback is going to work and remove this city Liverpool from our table. But before that, um, let's delete this comments section. We're going to get error. Let me edit here. Perfect. All right. Let's function 5. As you can see, we have Liverpool here, but why we have here? Because in transaction process, I used the select star from TBSTs, and it is showing us just after adding these Liverpool data, and after we saw this Liverpool in our table, rollback process started, and in the reality we don't have Liverpool. Let me show you. Where is our cities? As you can see, we don't have any Liverpool in reality. Perfect. I assume you understand how rollback is works. I'm going to make this section command line, and let's continue with commit. But before that, let me explain the commit a little bit more. The rollback is taking actions back, but commit is approving the result. So actually there is no meaning to use commit just alone, but let me give an example. Begin transaction, begin transaction. All right, insert into, let's copy this completely, Liverpool, and commit. That's function 5, one row affected, and we're going to see Liverpool here now. As you can see, we got Liverpool. So how are we able to use this commit? Let me use try catch block, and then you will understand how we able to use rollback and commit. So actually commit is approve the result and save to the database. This is enough for what the commit does. Okay, begin transaction, begin transaction. Now I'm going to create a try catch block, begin try, and try. Now after this one, I'm going to begin catch and catch. Okay. Now we're going to try our insert action in try block. And if it's accepted, we're going to use commit. And if there is an error in one of these, for example, action, it is going to catch by catch block, and I'm going to call rollback. So what is going to be right now? If something happened in try block, it doesn't matter how many error we got, one is enough. And then rollback is going to work and take back everything to the original one. Alright, let's try to add Liverpool and try to add Brighton. Let's have a look at our cities. Let's delete Liverpool again and see the result. Function 5. We got 2 row affected. Liverpool and Brighton here. There is no problem because there is no error. Commit is work. We didn't catch any error and rollback didn't work. What if I try to, for example, add an ID, which is we can't do it because it's automatically increasing numbers. Let's say 25, random number. If we get any error, what we going to have now? Let's try to add here Glasgow and see the result. What's gonna happen now? Alright, function 5, 1 row affected, 0 row affected. Let's have a look. We have nothing here. Why we have nothing here? Because normally Glasgow is added and this ID couldn't be added, then it's catch by catch block and rollback run executed, and it's rollback everything to the original. Let me add a mark here. So this is number 17. All right. Let me try to add Glasgow again. Function 5. There is nothing. And let's add mark 2. The ID, what do you think? What is going to be? This is 19. Where is 18 then? Because Glasgow is added and deleted by rollback. So 18 is gone. This is how rollback and commit is working, guys. Perfect. Hopefully you understand what I have done in this lesson, and I'm going to finish this lesson here. Let me delete these two. City. Perfect. Let me save my query list. All right. Try catch and trans. Oops. Try catch and transactions. Alright, let's save it. Let me add those to my local repository. CD desktop, CD MS SQL, CD, not CD anymore. CD MS SQL, sorry guys. Alright. Git check out development branch, git add all, git commit -m, and try catch and transaction lessons. Alright, let's save it. Git check out main, git merge with development. Let's have a look our logs. Everything is saved. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please drop comment below the video, and if you like the video, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me creating new content. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.